Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I just want to show you how to cook a beef stir fry. So guys, this stir fry, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with pap, you can eat it with dumpling, and also guys, you can eat it with some, and you can eat it with salad. So it's your choice, but let me tell you, this is the most beautiful beef stir fry that you can try today. And please guys, watch the full of this video so that guys you can learn more about this recipe. Don't skip guys. If you want the most perfect beef stir fry recipe, please watch this video until the end so that you can learn more. So let us get into it. So guys, first step, this is my stripe. As you can see, so you can buy a beef meat guys and cut them like this. So now I'm going to add oil and fry it. So let's add some oil. So I'm going to fry. So guys, let us fry our meat. So guys, before you fry your meat, make sure that your your meat is dry. Just make sure that your meat is a little bit dry. So I'm going to fry it until it is brownish, until it's golden brown. So guys, as you can see, now I'm going to add my onion. I'm starting with my onion, white onion. Make sure that you cut them like this. So I'm adding them. So guys, please make sure that you fry your beef on a low heat. So that you won't burn your meat. So now let's add our vegetables, our robot. This is my robot. So let's fry. So now guys, I'm going to add my spices. So I'm adding this one, mother-in-law. And I'm going to add barbecue. I'm using this one. Barbecue first, and let's mix. So let's add turmeric. So this is my turmeric. I'm using this one. Yeah, that's enough. Let's mix everything together. So now guys, I'm going to add a little bit of water, and also guys, I'm adding my stock cubes. I'm using this one, rich meat flavor. So I'm going to add one block. this is my block. So, and I'm going to add spoon of sauce. This is my sauce. This is tomato sauce, guys. So if you have a I think this tomato sauce will help my soup to be a little bit thick and juicy. So if your stock, guys, your cube stock is not salty, add a pinch of salt. So mine is not salty. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, guys. A pinch of salt. Yeah, that's enough. Then I'm going to leave it to simmer. Then my beef stir fry is going to be ready. So now let us leave it for a few minutes to simmer. So guys, as you can see, my delicious beef stir fry is ready. The soup is thick, is beautiful, and is yummy. So let us dish up right now. So guys, I'm eating my stir fry with rice. So this is the final product. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you're going to try this recipe. It's beautiful, it's healthy, and it's so delicious. And above everything, guys, please don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe, guys. And please, once you've tried this recipe, come here and comment and tell me, guys, the result. But above everything, share this video, and I hope you're going to enjoy this recipe, and also I'm going to enjoy my recipe, guys, with rice. Thank you. So bye. Let's get into enjoy.